The University of Colorado Department of Family Medicine began their partnership with the American Board of Family Medicine about 8 years ago. We had developed an e-learning curriculum around practice transformation that then ABFM offered to their diplomates as part of their maintenance and certification program. Learning opportunities that the e-learning modules address are really a spectrum from things around practice transformation to integration of behavioral health and to primary care. The most popular e-learning modules that physicians are utilizing have to do with practice transformation, and also some modules such as cost and value of care, coordinating care across the medical neighborhood, patient-family engagement. The feedback that we have received from physicians has been very positive. They like the convenience of an e-learning module, and they like the ability to be able to align their quality improvement work with maintenance and certification.